guys, welcome to Knowledge Livestream. This is the old battery which was installed in my car, H8 Classic, and the reason I have to change this battery is because this one is an L494 H7, you can see, and BMW it needs an H8 battery. So I'm gonna go to Advanced Auto Parts right now. I already ordered the battery, and I'm going to be getting that one. I mean, this is a good battery, but because it's a small battery, it does not support that much of the electronics that are in my car. So I'm going to be getting the other new battery and give you a review on that. Hey guys, so here is the old H8 Classic battery. I mean, for a small battery that's an 8.7 size, I mean, it's pretty. I used it for almost like 4 years, and it really stood its ground. So it is a good battery, but compared to the electronics which are in this car, the BMW, you know, it has its own electronics, and on top of that I have added a sub and a DVD player with all the LED lights inside and the halogen bulbs, and so it's pretty much, this car consumes a lot of energy. I needed the high quality AutoCraft Platinum H8 AGM battery. Now this is a really good battery, which is also, if I can focus it, it's a made in Germany battery. So it's sealed from all sides, so there's no, you don't have to worry about the leakage and anything about the gas, and you don't have to open this and refill with acid. So this thing is like really good and solid, and it's really heavy quality stuff. And like you know, I fixed it with the positive and the negative terminals, how you do it in a car. And so far for 4 days it was sitting, and the car, it still starts in the first start, so it's a pretty tough one. So you know, like in my previous battery, the small one, after 4 days the car, you know, used to choke when it used to start. But you know, it's the old battery, and now I'm gonna see how long this is gonna last. But you know, it looks like you know, because I invested more in this one compared to, I could have bought the gold one, but I wanted to buy a good quality one that could last me for a long period of time. Now I know this will last me at least 4 to 5 years more. So the other thing which I really liked about this battery was its cranking power. It has a massive cranking power, which has a 900 on a cold day start, and on, you know, regular day it gives you 1,001. Whereas the old battery, if you look over here, it shows you right here that on a cold day it's gonna give you 730. So that is a big difference, and on a regular day it's gonna give you 875. So you know, that's a big difference if you're looking at cars like Mercedes, Lexus, BMW. So they need a lot of electronic power. So I really recommend this product for anyone who owns a BMW, and it's a really good product. So guys, I'm gonna put a link inside too, so you guys can order one for yourself. And like I said, it's a good product. And don't forget to subscribe to my page, and tell me your things in the comment if you have any questions, or you know, any comments regarding the battery itself, or you have any other products that you can recommend which I would try in the future. And once again guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and like.